Hello, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole Kaup, English teacher and accent coach. If you've been struggling with English pronunciation and your accent is getting in the way of your success, this course will help solve that problem. Before getting started with our training, I'd like to tell you a little bit about what we'll be doing in this course. In each lesson, I'll explain an important concept in English pronunciation. Then I'll give you a short, fun homework assignment to help you practice the concept of the day. I'll try to make the assignments as entertaining as possible. And you will receive the answers to the assignment on the next day to prevent you from looking at them too soon. No cheating. On another note, several studies show singing to be a very effective way to improve pronunciation. So every day this week, I'll give you a new song to sing along to, in addition to your other practice assignment. I'm so happy you've decided to join me for this course. I sincerely hope I can help you in your quest to speak better English. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about word grouping and pausing. One of the most common problems that non-native English speakers make is speaking too fast. This, combined with lack of pausing, not using correct stress patterns, and other pronunciation and grammatical errors can make your speech unintelligible. So, first of all, slow down. Speaking fast does not make you sound like a native. It only makes you difficult to understand. Now, let's talk about today's topic, grouping words and pausing. In writing, we use punctuation to signal pauses. And in speaking, we need to make sure that we are also pausing for commas, for periods, for question marks. Longer sentences are split into groups, and there are pauses in other places. We use that to communicate what's most important to us. We break utterances into groups of 4 to 7 words, each followed by a slight pause. And you'll notice that the last word in each word group tends to be emphasized as well. Do you like riddles? All right, I'm going to give you some riddles so that we can practice the word grouping and the pausing a little bit. I think this will really help to illustrate how we do this natively. Here's riddle number 1. Mr. Blue lives in the blue house. Mr. Pink lives in the pink house, and Mr. Brown lives in the brown house. Who lives in the white house? All right, before we look at the answer, let's go ahead and look at the pausing. And you can go ahead and repeat after me to practice as well. Mr. Blue lives in the blue house. Mr. Pink lives in the pink house. Mr. Brown lives in the brown house. Who lives in the White House? Now you'll notice I marked the pauses with a red slash mark. Now you'll also notice that that's where commas and periods or question marks are included in these sentences. So our pauses follow directly our commas, periods, and question marks in this example. Have you discovered the answer? All right. It is the President of the United States lives in the White House, right? Not the White House, color white, but, well, actually it is color white, but the White House, which is the place that the President lives. Are you ready for a couple more riddles? Okay, let's do another. They come out at night without being called and are lost in the day without being stolen. What are they? Right, let's take a look at the pausing again. Go ahead and follow along with me. They come out at night without being called and are lost in the day without being stolen. What are they? Now I'm going to let you think about that a little bit. I'm going to give you the answer tomorrow. So in the meantime, go ahead and repeat this. Make sure you are incorporating the pauses into your own speech. You're speaking slowly and clearly. Do not speak too fast. Pauses are really important in English, and we are grouping our words in longer sentences into smaller groups so it's easier for our listener to understand. One more riddle, riddle number 3. A monkey, a squirrel, and a bird are racing to the top of a coconut tree. Who will get the banana first? The monkey, the squirrel, or the bird? Let's take a look at the pausing. You'll notice commas, periods, question mark definitely marks our pauses, but sometimes we have additional pauses as well. So let's go ahead and repeat after me in this one as well. A monkey, a squirrel, and a bird are racing to the top of a coconut tree. Who will get the banana first? The monkey, the squirrel, or the bird? Again, I'll give you the answer tomorrow. In the meantime, keep practicing those. Homework. I'm going to give you 2 assignments today. First is to watch a TED Talk. It's a very funny TED Talk. The woman who speaks is quite funny and quite inspirational. I want you to print out the sheet in our course assignments, and I want you to mark where she pauses. I want you to actually put a slash mark every time you hear a pause. Now, we're only going to do the first 3 minutes or so of this, but you can watch the entire video if you like. It's, I think, about 20 minutes long. But it's very interesting. But if you don't have time, just do the first 3 minutes and complete the assignment. In addition, I've given you a song, and I carefully selected your songs based on some of the elements of speech that I want to illustrate for you. This one, I would like you to take careful look at the pausing and the word grouping. After you've analyzed the song, looked at it, heard it once or twice, feel free to sing along. Now, singing is excellent for improving your pronunciation, so I want you to really sing along. Don't be shy. Sing for yourself. Sing in a closed room. Sing out in the forest. Sing somewhere where no one will hear you if you're a little shy. Okay, so this is a nice, quiet, calm song. It's called More by Tyrone Wells. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again tomorrow.